work on the right-hand console, which will be holding this 155 watt battery pack. Outputs 100 watts, so it can power the optical core for about an hour and a half. Insert it in the back. It's a little tight because I'm using 2x4s for the framework. And you can see it right through this hole. You press this button to check the status. Very nice. Cute little battery. And this button to turn on the AC power. Got a nice handle right here, so you can hoist yourself into the mech and also carry this console when you want to install it. It is attached to the frame by these 2x4s right here, which will be connected to the PVC in the cockpit. And over here, it will be attaching actually to one of the wood pylons in mech's torso. I'm going to be giving it a nice metallic color, and yeah, this caution stripe is removable. So, stay tuned for more updates. Bye-bye.